Namaste. I welcome you all for my 30 days healing challenge. In this challenge, we heal health, relationship, career, and money every day. Today is a day 17 and we will be healing fear of losing money. Let's begin. Close your eyes, put hands on your heart, and repeat after me. I now acknowledge the fear of losing money. I allow it to be here without resistance. I understand that this fear comes to protect me, to teach me, and wake me up to what's unhealed. I accept that this fear is may have come from my past experiences, failures, and debts. Maybe from my family struggle, survival mindset, or maybe from my own expectation and pressure. I am willing to now let this fear go from all level, my mind, my body, my energy, from all the layers, conscious, subconscious, unconscious, and all the timelines from childhood, present, past life. I am releasing it from all type, all forms of this fear, emotion, thought, behavior, nervous system, DNA, energy field from everywhere. I let it go with love. I release fear of losing money because I now choose to trust. I let it go because I am safe now. I let it go because money is my friend, not my fear. Take a deep breath, release it. Now repeat. I take 100% responsibility for this fear of losing money because it was created within my inner world. I take 100% responsibility of fear of losing money because I inherited pattern I have never questioned. And I take 100% responsibility of it because I now choose to transform, not blame. I accept this fear of losing money. I accept you because you come to protect me from repeating the past pain. I accept you fear of losing money because you try to keep me safe in uncertain time. I accept you fear of losing money because you showed me where I need to heal. I own you fully because you are a part of my experience, not my enemy. I created this energy knowingly and unknowingly. That's why I own you. I own you because I now choose to own my power to release you. I am sorry, fear of losing money, for ignoring the real reason you existed. I am sorry for hating you instead of hearing you. I am sorry for judging myself because of you. Please forgive me, fear of losing money, for carrying you so long without healing. Please forgive me for every time I acted from fear, not faith. Please forgive me for not letting you block my peace, health, and purpose. Thank you, fear of losing money, for the lessons you brought. Thank you for showing me what needs healing. And thank you for waking me up to my deeper truth. I love you because you are part of me. I love you because you have helped me grow. I love you because love is the medicine for all fear. I release you because I no longer need to live in a survival mode. I release you because I trust life, money, and myself now. I release you because peace is more powerful than fear. I let you go with compassion, love, because I am no longer that helpless child. I let you go with love and compassion because I deserve safety, ease, and flow. I let you go happily because my soul is ready to receive. Take a deep breath, release it. Okay, let's do the EFT now. Tap with me. Even though I have a fear of losing money from my childhood, in spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I always fear for losing money, in spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though knowingly and unknowingly, I have created this and experiences this, repeating this again and again. In spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Two fingers. All the fear of losing money, release. Every fear that losing money, release. Anything and everything about that fear of losing money, release. Whatever I am carrying about fear of losing money, release. Anything and everything I have done to fear of creating the fear of losing money, release. Conscious, subconscious, good or bad, all thing about fear of losing money, release. All memory experiences about fear of losing money, release. Anything and everything about fear of losing money, release. All the fear from my health area, release. All the fear from my relationship area, release. All the fear from my career area, release. All the fear from my money area, release. All fear from my life, release. Take a deep breath. Do practice this repeating again and again if you feel you still need to be healing until you feel 100% relaxed about this fear. Keep practicing, keep healing, and visit my website once. You will get 6 free gifts there. First, free one-on-one session for healing, understanding the science behind this, how it works, why it works, and learning more advanced techniques to heal anything in your life so you can learn and heal for a lifetime. Second, you can learn about the how to create LinkedIn profile and attract recruiters. Third, how to do the proper job search and write the proper resume. You can also learn about the manifestation, law of attraction. You will learn about the science behind the affirmations and all. So there are a lot of things for you, and one free ebook for you. You can understand about your fear, how to track them, how to understand them, then how to understand your emotional pattern, how to recognize the emotional pattern, why it is getting formed, how it is impacting you. And then you will also understand about the belief, what are the limiting beliefs, why you are struggling with the limiting beliefs, and those problems you will understand clearly from this book, and it is absolutely free for all of you. Do visit my website and get all your free books or your free gifts. Thank you very much for allowing me to heal. Keep practicing, keep healing. Thank you.